Hey folks, welcome to WordPress Daily, your daily interactive, all things WordPress podcast. Today we're going to dive into Nex-Forms, which is a ultimate online form plugin for WordPress. On this episode number 8 of WordPress Daily. Hey guys, I'm Tom Mullins. Thanks for watching our show today. Today we're going to dive into the Nex-Forms plugin, which is available on Code Canyon for $40. It is a premium plugin. We're going to rate this plugin 5 out of 5 stars because it's a great plugin, easy to use, and does an excellent job because of additional enhancements and expansions that are available for it as well. You can purchase this by using the link in the show notes to help support our WordPress Daily efforts. WordPress Daily is a part of the TechMerge podcasting network. You can find more information about WordPress Daily at techmerge.net. You can also subscribe to this podcast by searching WordPress Daily on everywhere that podcasts are found, on iTunes or the Google Play Store, and many other podcast aggregators. You can also check us out on the Facebook at facebook.com/techmerge, Twitter at techmerge.net, and also support us on Patreon by going to patreon.com/WordPress. I'm Tom Mullins, and we're excited to dive into Nex-Forms. So this plugin, they say it's the ultimate WordPress form builder. And it's a really awesome form solution for WordPress. It has the ability to create dynamic forms, and also it provides form analytics, cost estimations, it does calculations for you, interactive personalized forms, conditional logic, tons of form fields and elements, the ability to use digital signatures, multi-step forms and online quizzes, pop-up forms, icons, Google Fonts and animations, submission reports and exports, so you can take the data that's there and export it out and use it in WordPress and other tools that you might have, including Civi CRM. It's fully responsive, so it works on mobile devices, and it has a ton of additional add-on features as well. So this is actually running on one of our production sites, which is OneVoiceWV.org. OneVoice is a ministry based in West Virginia, and TechMerge created the website for OneVoice, and we use this particular plugin for our volunteer application on the site. So go to OneVoiceWV.org and click on Get Involved, then Volunteer, and then click on the Apply to Become a Volunteer. And you're going to come to this page in this form. So you can complete the form. As you can see, it's a beautifully designed WordPress form. It gives you the ability to enter your information, select some check boxes, some drop-down boxes, to include all of your information, and certification and signature. And as you can see here, it has a little place where you can actually use your mouse and digitally sign the form, submit it. Some of the add-ons that are available for this are PDF. So it will take your form responses and create a PDF and email that PDF to the site owner or the email address that you'd like the content to go to. It's got some nice analytics to look at how successful your forms are, how many views they're getting, how many responses, and all of that. And we'll take a little bit of a look at that. We're not going to install this particular plugin live because there was some information that had to be entered ahead of time to register it, and we're not going to dive into it. There's also integration with MailChimp, which allows you to automatically subscribe people to MailChimp based on a response within your forms. Now, keep in mind, we're dealing with GDPR right now, so you got to make sure that your privacy policy covers you for what you're planning on doing with the data that you're collecting in these particular forms on your website if you do any business with anyone within the European Union countries. So this is Nex-Forms. This is version number 7. It is the most recent version of this plugin. It's a great little tool to build web forms. As you can see here, there's some analytic data. It tells you how many page views, how many submissions, how many interactions with the form, how many people are actually interacting with it, putting the information in, but maybe are abandoning the form before they complete it, and also what your conversion rate is. So that's pretty cool. There's some additional analytics as well. It kind of breaks down the data for you there. Different types of charts, different types of graphs and presentation there. You can go back and look at particular months. We can go back and look at 2018, and let's go back and look at April. And you can kind of see where our information was back in April. And this form really has just gotten started in the last month. So we didn't have a whole lot of submissions prior to that, other than some testing. You click here and you can actually see all the submissions, and you can pull that data, save it, you can export it, all of that type of stuff. You can also have your users, as they're filling out the forms, to upload files, and if they upload files, those files will appear right here. There's some additional reporting matrix that you can use to gather information about the data within your forms. We're not going to get into the submissions because this is a production site, but we are going to go in and take a look at the form and how we built it. We're going to hit the edit button here. And it's really just a what you see is what you get editor. So you find the particular fields that you're wanting to add and you drop them right into the page. And then you change some styling, some logic. You set up the email and how it creates the email and how it sends. Set up any integrations that you're using, GetResponse, MailChimp, form to post, PDF as well. All of these features are available for you as well. The embed code, this is the short code as well as the embed code on how to embed this particular form within your WordPress pages or posts. It's pretty awesome. It's definitely worth the $40. It is available on Code Canyon. You'll be able to actually see the link in the show notes. If you make that purchase through that link, it will help support us. It will help support the TechMerge Podcasting Network and this production and all of the different shows and content that we bring you each and every day at techmerge.net. If you look around, there's lots of different integrations and add-ons within Code Canyon for the Nex-Forms plugin. By the way, if you're an ThemeForest Elements or a Evanta Element subscriber, a lot of these plugins are available free of charge as an Element subscriber. PayPal, integration with the PayPal API to take payments right within your forms. Digital signatures, which is what we're implemented. MailChimp is an add-on, form to post or form to paste, page. Add-on bundle, which gives you a ton of different bundles, some styles, some sample forms, all of that type of stuff. GetResponse add-on. You can also, there's just a ton of add-ons to the Nex-Forms plugin. Once again, it is a 5 out of 5 star plugin. I highly recommend it to those looking for a great form plugin for their WordPress site. Keep in mind, you need to make sure that you update your privacy policy to reflect the use of this form and what you're doing with the information that's going to be on your site. And you can check it out here at the link in the show notes. Also check out onevoicewv.org. It's a great ministry and organization. Check out techmerge.net for all of the details about this podcast and all of our other shows as well. Thank you so much for watching today's episode number 8, as we dive into the ultimate WordPress form builder, Nex-Forms. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.